Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my previous videos, I have been telling you that the more points are in favor of bears rather in favor of bulls. Therefore, even though the price action spiked up to $10,000, but finally we are watching this drop. In today's video, we will watch the different support and resistance levels on this daily chart, and we will also watch the different chart patterns. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you my long-term, very short analysis. So let's start today's analysis with this chart, and this is the daily chart, and these are the different support and resistance levels. As in my previous video, I told you that if the price action will be not able to break out this resistance of $10,000, then finally it will retest the previous support of $9,500, and in case of breaking down this support, the price action may retest the previous support before the $9,500, that is $8,800. And I would like to show you this chart as well, and this is very critical chart because at this time the Bitcoin is trying to break down the market structure, and that was the up channel that was formed after the mid of March when the price action started its bullish rally. And at this time the price action is at the critical support of this channel. I have also placed the moon phases indicator on this chart. And even though the new moon was appeared at the resistance of this channel, but if we watch this dark moon, then it was appeared below the support and giving signals that the price action may retest this level. And we have the Bollinger Bands up to this level as well below the support. And the Bollinger Bands, the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands was below the resistance of the channel, and that was a big hurdle and resistance for the price action to reach up to this level. As we can see that the Bollinger Bands was the main resistance that stopped the price action to reach up to this level. And these are the exponential moving averages with a time period of 10 and 21, and we have seen that since the price action has started its recent bullish rally after the mid of March, the price action has been using these two EMAs very well as support. For example, here the price action dropped at these two EMAs and moved up and dropped down again on these two EMAs and moved up. And here the price action retested these two EMAs and retested also the support of the channel and moved up again. And at this time the price action is again retesting these two EMAs as a support and the critical support of the channel as well. And if we watch this chart, then first the price action formed a rising wedge pattern, and I predicted that even though this is a bearish reversal signal as per traders community, but I was thinking that this time it will break out rather to break down. And the basic reason was that the RSI indicator was in completely uptrend, and we also received a bull cross by the stochastic. We had so many very obvious signals that the price action will be in uptrend and it will break out the resistance of the wedge. And we also had the dark moon at the support that was showing that the price, if the price action will be moved down, then this is the maximum extent for the price action to move down. And we had the full moon above the resistance of this wedge that was indicating that the price action may move up to this level or beyond this level. Now we can see that even though we had the full moon above the resistance of this pattern, but the dark moon was below the support that was indicating that the price action may retest this level where the dark moon is appeared. And if we watch the RSI indicator, then the RSI was completely in the downtrend, and this stochastic was not giving us the clear signals whether the price action will be dropped or it will be moved up, because it was using sideways, and finally it has given the bear cross. Now let's move to the next chart, and this was the basic chart, and that was the reason that I was predicting for the downward move by the price action, and that the price action was forming a bullish Garley pattern. First the price action formed a bullish bad pattern, and now after initial leg it was dropped up to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and it was then moved up to between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. And I was expecting for the completion of last and final leg of this Garley, it should be entered in this zone, that is 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And that was starting from $9,317 and ends up to $9,015. And finally, the price action has entered in this potential reversal zone. But I think this would be the bad pattern rather the garlic pattern, because we have the support at $8,800, and I'm expecting that the price action may break down the support of $9,500, and after that it will be retesting the previous support of $8,800. Therefore, I'm just ignoring this extra spike, and I've just placed my Fibonacci retracement tool, or this pattern tool, up to 0.50 Fibonacci, and now we can expect this move from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci level, and that starts from $9,015 up to $8,835, almost $8,800. But however, we should set this level as our stop loss, because if this support will be broken down, then the price action may move down to form a bullish crab or butterfly pattern that is from 1.27, almost from here, that is almost at $8,200, up to 1.618 Fibonacci level, almost at $7,500. So this is the Fibonacci retracement as per the bullish bat or bullish butterfly or crab pattern. However, so far I am quite confirmed that it will go for the bullish bat pattern. Now let's move to the next chart towards the different simple moving averages. This is the simple moving average with the time period of 25, and then we have 50, then 200, and then 100. At this time, the price action is breaking down the 25 simple moving averages. As in my previous video, I told you that the bigger time period moving average, the 50 simple moving average, is moving up to form a death cross with 25 simple moving average, because whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses down, or the bigger time period moving average crosses up the smaller time period moving average, that is called a bear cross or death cross. Even though the real death cross is between the 50 and 200 simple moving average, but this is also called the death cross or bear cross. Therefore, it can lead towards a bearish rally. But at this time, the bigger time period moving average is moving up to form a bear cross. Whenever the bigger time moving average moves up itself to form the bear cross with the smaller time period moving average, that produces not as that much bigger or disastrous drop or bearish move as if the smaller time period moving average drops down to form the death cross or bear cross with the bigger time period moving average. Therefore, at this time, we are watching that the bigger time period moving average with the time period of 50 is moving up to form the bear cross. Therefore, this bear cross will not lead to a very much disastrous drop. However, if this 50 simple moving average will be broken down, as I'm expecting, that the price action may retest the previous support of $8,800. Now let's move to the bigger time period chart, and that is the long-term weekly chart. And on this, I'm expecting this move by the 25 simple moving average to form a bull cross or golden cross with 50 simple moving average. As in my previous videos, I told you that once this bull cross will be formed, then we have a complete open alligator mouth formation like we had here before the 2017. We had the 25 simple moving average, then 50, then 100, then 200. Then we will have the same as like this order. Over here, we will have the 25, then 50, then 100, and 200. The biggest time period moving average will be below all the other moving averages, and the smaller time moving average will be above all the other moving averages. And it can lead to a very big parabolic bullish move like we had here. So this was the update I had so far about the Bitcoin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, do share your comments with me, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.